Hello everyone, good evening all. You're most welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amani Asante, and thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. Previously we have looked at a number of things. We started from the introduction to computer, and then we went to how to save a Word document, and then we came to creating a table of contents. And so today we are going to learn about how to create a list of figures and list of tables. It's not something very far or different from what we have just learned about the creating of table of contents. So table of contents and list of figures and list of tables move hand in hand. And so basically what is the importance of creating list of figures or list of tables? It also helps us basically in guiding the reader, and also shows us specifically where our tables and our figures are placed. So without taking a lot of time, let's get started. For us to create the list of figures and list of tables, I am going to first open a Word document which has tables and figures, and then we see how to create a list of those figures and the tables. So this is my document, which is a report document. You can see it has tables. Mostly here the things are being presented in form of tables, and so we are going to basically look at how to create a list of tables. So I'm going to take you through that. So this is our Word document, which is a report. And so when we look at this document, these are our tables. And so I will first start by naming each of these tables and giving them the number. So I will highlight the table by clicking on it. Let me show you again. I will come here. So I will highlight the table, and then I come to I will come to references, where it shows me these options here. So under references, we can see here insert table of figures. Then here, this is what we just looked at, the table of contents. But this insert caption gives me very many options. So I'll click on it. So when you click on insert caption, the caption here, it's going to show you either whether it is table 1, table 2, table 3, and then here it will the label, whether it's a table or it's a figure. Tables are usually the example is what you're seeing on the screen, and then the figures is usually those presentations they put in terms of charts, in terms of graphs. Those are the figures. So in this case we are dealing with tables, and so we are going to click on table. And then where do you want this the list of the table? You want it to appear below the table, or you want the table number to be above the table? So you click this option. I will select above selected item. So when you click there, meaning it will appear here. It will appear on top of our table. Then when you come here, if you click on exclude the label, meaning the number will appear without the label, but we need the label to be there so that it shows that this is table 1. Then when you click OK, you see that it's going to show us this is table 1, and table 1 is for mortality. So I'll just highlight this and write, sorry, I will highlight this and then copy it, then I can bring it here so that it makes our work to look smart. So this is table what? Table 1, which is for mortality. So I can just do that, make sure our work is smart. Then I come to number 2. This is our table 2. Yeah, you can just, you do the same, you go to references, insert caption. You see it is table 2, so we're putting it as a table. Table 2. Then we bring our word here, it is morbidity. Table 2 is for morbidity. You can just type it here, morbidity. Yes, then I can bold it, make it bold. Yeah. And then we go to the next. The next table is table 3. You can click here. I just do the same, it's the table, it's above the selected item, and OK. This is our table 3. Then we bring our summary of facility admissions here. Can just copy that and put it here. So that is our table 3. Table 4 is here. That is our table 4. So we are going to make this as our table 4. Let me go back. Table 4, which is, this is summary of facility discharges. So we make sure our work is what? Our work is neat. We can bold this. then this is table 5. Table 5. Which is summary of outreach conducted per facility. So I can also make this bold. And so when we look at all this, then we can now come here. After making all this, creating our tables, then we can just create a space here where we want to put our list of what? Our list of tables. So I will click here. So I will click here and then come to this is our I'll come here. Custom table of contents, and so when you come here, this is how our, let me go back a bit. So now if you want to create or to list the number of the list of the figures or the table you have created, you will come to insert table of figures. You click on it. If I want it to appear like this, I'll use this, or I can use this. So I'm going to use this table 1, 2, 3 in that order. So I will use from the template, and our label is table. Then I will click. You see that? Meaning our table 2 is for mortality, it's on page 2. Table 3 is for morbidity, it's on page 2. Then table 4 is in page 3, like that. So this is basically how you create you list your table of, you make your list of figures and list of tables. So thank you for watching the video, and let's continue to practice. Thank you.